Checks, tabs. Waiting ఇంకా జాయిన్ అవుతా. Hi, like there are only 7 members right now. Did you have any doubts? We can discuss. You, you just started something and you were stuck somewhere in between, so that we'll discuss now. Or you want me to repeat any topics until now which we discussed? Because there are only 6 members are there.
I have a doubt. Actually, we discussed all the things regarding the app and validation rules, page layouts, right? After that, you told about the CRM. CRM is regarding the marketing of that particular app, right?
Yes, not app,
And
about a product. Like as a
okay, fine.
organization, I have so many products. So how to, for marketing, we have a marketing cloud app. So how to market my app? There are different how I can whatever strategies I'm implementing, I can track that in my campaigns. So from that campaigns, I can generate the leads. So that's what this is the basic thing. If you want some customization in that app, we can add by creating more objects and creating the relationship with campaigns object. So we can, so that's what as a developers we have to customize that according to our client requirements. In the same way in sales process, these are the main objects. But in between, according to our organization needs, we can add some custom objects and we can build some more functionality. We'll be learning in some features like workflows and approvals and process builder. So whenever any stage is changed, we can set some workflow to fire and it will go to the next level. Suppose opportunity is there, right? There are so many stages. In different stages, the opportunity will be handled by different sales users, sales persons. Suppose at starting stage, some junior or some less experienced salesperson will be contacting with customer and he will be starting the deal. Once he moved the deal opportunity to the next level, it will automatically, we can set some configuration changes such that if this stage has changed to this particular stage, it will automatically go to some other queue so that other salesperson can handle that case. In the same way with case also. Once the case has been escalated, so we will be having so many status in case. Once the case, that particular pick list value is changed from one level to next level, it will be automatically assigned to some other, it will be assigned to one queue. In that queue, there will be so many sales users, like so many customer executives. Once any case coming into that queue, whoever is free, like there are 10 support users in that particular queue. What will happen is, depending upon their availability, if I am available, I completed one case, I closed one case, again I will take another case, which is in that queue. So instead of manager assigning it manually, we can set some settings, it will automatically go to that particular queue.
And yesterday you told about some lead part, right? That is the user requirement. Based on that user requirement, we are creating the form and we are
Yes.
adding that, right?
Adding that in website, yes.
Okay.
Same thing with Web2 also. Only these two objects will be supported for implementing that
And,
kind of functionality.
and recording type, you told about the pick list.
Record types,
And
yes.
yeah, in the field options, we have the pick list, multi-pick list and the regular pick list.
Yes.
So in the pick list, if we add regarding the software things or hardware things, we can enable or disable it, right? If
Yes.
the user needs, instead of
Yeah, if I disabling it, it won't be available for all the users, right? If I disable it, if it's not available for other process, hardware process, if I disable it, my requirement is it should only come when I'm creating a software record. Some pick list value should come only when I'm creating software records. Some pick list value should come when I'm creating hardware records.
okay.
So for that scenario, we have to go for a record type only.
Okay. All the part till now you told is like the database part,
Yes.
only the regarding the app and marketing of the product
Yeah.
and what are the types. That's it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Any questions from any other? Okay. Discuss today.
Yesterday you told you are going to upload some assignments.
Yeah, yesterday I started it, but I didn't completed it. I'll upload it today. So here I'll be asking you to create one more app. It will be like this. This is the field name.
We are unable to see your screen.
Is it visible now? Yeah, I didn't complete it. I'm creating that app, like what is the requirement. So once I finish that, I'll be uploading there. Okay. So it's like creating another app. In that app, whatever we discussed till now, I'll be adding all those features like first create an object, and then these are the fields we have to create. Suppose I'll be asking you to create a patient object. There is free. Like I'll be providing like this 4 or 5 objects. I'll tell you under this patient, these are all the fields and these are all the data types. This is the field and corresponding data type. And after creating this, I'll be asking you on patient, create a record type. Instead of a single record, I want to create 2 type of records. Like one will be for visitors and one will be for patients. So on top of patients, you have to create a record type. I'll tell you, for a visitor, this should be my layout. These are fields should be visible in page layout. And for a patient, these are all the fields it should be visible on my page layout. And after that, same thing. Whatever I'm creating here, same app I'll ask you to create. Whatever healthcare app I created here, with all the things which we discussed till now, it will be covering all topics. So today we'll see communication templates. So communication templates are nothing but templates used in in general. Communication templates are nothing but these are the templates used in our organization for our day-to-day process. Suppose we are having so many objects, right? So suppose I want to inform my managers saying that I created so we have an appointment. So I want to inform to my doctor through an email saying that whenever I'm creating an appointment with any patient, I want to send an email to my doctor and to my patient saying that this is we have an appointment with this particular patient. So whenever I'm creating an appointment, I want to send an email alert to both patients and doctors. Suppose this appointment will be consisting of one patient and one doctor, right? So I want to send an alert to this patient saying that we have an appointment with this doctor at this particular time. In the same way, I want to send an email alert to this doctor. We have an appointment fixed with this particular patient. So every time instead of receptionist using the same template, so what we can do is we can create a common template. And whenever any appointment record is created, we'll use that template to our communication process. So these are nothing but these are called templates. We'll be creating for one time and we'll be using it multiple places. So instead of in coming days we'll be learning if there are some features which we are going to learn like workflows, process builder and everything. With that what we can do is whenever I'm creating any record or editing any record, I can send an email alert saying that instead of we doing it manually, I can automate some business process. So for that automation process we'll be using workflows. In that workflows, we can send email alert. Email alert is one of the option. So for doing that email alerts, first we need to create an email templates. Those are nothing but which will be saved in communication templates. So first we will be creating a email template and we will store it in a folder and then we will use that templates in either in workflows or approvals. We'll use that templates. For that, Salesforce is providing to store all your templates in email templates. This is the folder. This is the place all your organization emails will be stored. By default, Salesforce will provide these templates whenever any support case is created. Whenever any case is created, then we can send this email template. This is a So when any case is created, we can send this template like who. It will take on case there is a contact dot first name. This is a field there. So it will take the name and it will take the description, everything, and it will send this. We can send this email template. So these are by default it will be given by Salesforce according to our requirement. So we can also create templates. These are the 4 types of templates we can create in Salesforce. One is text and one is HTML and one is custom. We'll see what is the text template and what is a HTML using Letterhead and what is custom without using Letterhead. And this is Visual Force. Visual Force we'll be seeing at last, like once we complete a Visual Force. After learning Visual Force, we'll be seeing this. Here we'll be using some tags. So for that first we need to learn Visual Force. After that we'll be seeing these Visual Force templates. So this communication templates first is email templates. Under this communication templates there is letterheads, email templates. Letterhead is nothing but my company logo. Then we can use the same templates. Or approval process. Types of templates. One is text, plain text. The other one, visual force. First we'll see. Text is nothing but it is plain text, like whatever I am writing, like whenever we are creating an email, we'll be using a body, right? Hi, and we'll see here. So depending upon your requirement, first I will be saying text template. What are options available in text template? Select text. Next. We have to select which folder this is and available for use. Give a template name. Description.
Why do we need these communication templates? We already created the objects and fields for the in the app, right?
Yes, we created. Then suppose you will be seeing, right, like whenever you are going for a hospital, you will be getting some alerts, right? You have an appointment with this doctor at this particular time. You will get it, right? So that is nothing
Yeah.
but an extra feature we can add. So when we are, how they are doing that? Will they do it manually? Do you want to do that manually? Every time we'll be hiring a
No,
receptionist,
no.
right? We should make it as automatically. So depending upon some conditions, that email alert should happen automatically. So that's what we are creating. You will be receiving that email. So what email you should receive? That part we are creating here. So first, this is the subject, right? We'll be saying appointment. So this will be the subject. Whenever we are using that email template, this will be automatically the subject. In body, I can use all the fields saying that hi, So I want to use this on appointment object. So we need to select that particular object. In that I can refer all the fields. Hi, this will give me a patient ID. From that, with doctor, what is the doctor name? We can refer. You can see. This is my appointment object. So I can refer all these object fields. So this email alert will be going whenever an appointment is created, right? So what I have to do is I can refer all the fields from that particular record. When a record is created, I will be sending this email alert. So I should know, right? This will be firing only on creation of appointment record. So I can refer all the fields from that appointment object. This is an object appointments. From that I will be referencing patient field. In the same way, from the same appointment object, I can refer doctor field. Doctor. I don't have printed. This is your during your visit. Thanks. This. So what will happen is once I save this template, whenever I can use this template from anywhere whenever I want. So suppose I want to send any email alert in email during email alerts, I'll be using this template. What this template will do is it will automatically, depending upon the which record this template has been filed, it will automatically take that particular details from that particular appointment record and it will send this alert to a particular user. We'll see that one in later classes, but as of now, just you should know, right? We can create a templates like this. These are called merge fields. So I'll be going to the particular record and I'll be using particular field. In an appointment, there are so many fields. If I open appointment, these are all the fields. So here I am using patient ID. I'll be going to the particular appointment, I'll be using patient ID. In the same way here, for this appointment, what is the doctor ID? What is the appointment name here? You'll get an idea once I. So once after saving it, just this is for testing. This should relate it to appointment, right? Select an appointment and just give any record. Just I'm testing it with how that email will be looking like. So what will happen is this email template, it will fetch all the field values from this particular record, appointment 003. It will go to the particular record and it will take the patient ID and it will take the doctor ID and it will take the appointment name and we are testing this template, how this template will look like. Because this will be firing on appointment object only. So I should select this template is related to which record? This is related to appointment record. So object, select that record, send a preview. You can see, right? These are coming. So as of now, I used patient ID __ C. So that's why it's giving me that particular record ID. You have an appointment fixed with doctor. This is the particular doctor record ID who created this. This is your appointment ID. You can see we tested this template with appointment 4 record. So that's why giving like this. So now I can modify it. I want to add it. Instead of patient ID __ C, save. Select a record. You can see here right now I'm getting the correct. Earlier I referred wrong field, so that's why it's giving me that record ID. Right now you can see, hi, this is a patient name. You have an appointment fixed with, this is a doctor name created by, and this is your appointment ID. Please provide this ID during visit. So this type of alert, patient will get this alert whenever any appointment is created. That will be seen afterwards, how to configure that. But as of now, today we are learning only how to create these templates. You can see here it's automatically referring, right, this patient name. and this doctor name, who created this record, and what is his appointment ID. We are referring it automatically like this. Okay. So this is the way. So we know this template will always be used through an appointment record. So I'll be referencing appointments here, and that appointment, what is this patient ID, and what is the doctor, which is a doctor and who created this record, and what is his appointment name. In the same thing, I can create one more template that will be, instead of here patient, I have to refer it to doctor, right? One email I want to send it to a doctor whenever any appointment is created. In that scenario, just create one more template. Now select next. So here I'll be using doctor name. So appointment. Please contact. Let's save it. Now we can test. See, you can see patient will be getting an email alert somewhat like this, your appointment in Apollo Hospital, whereas doctor will get an appointment alert like this, saying that you can see appointment schedule, and this is his doctor name. This is the email message he will get. Right now we are only dealing how to create these templates, different templates for different processes. You can see I created two templates for two different processes. This is for doctor. This email will go to a doctor when any appointment is scheduled, and this email alert will go to patient when any appointment he has any appointment pending or he has a newly appointment created. This is a text template. In text template, if you observe, I cannot use my, generally in an organization how these templates will be, it will be somewhat like branded. Everything like they will have their own company logo, header and footer will be there. As of now, this is a plain email text. So instead of that, if you want your company branding, then you can go for another type of template. That is HTML using letterhead. Here letterhead is nothing but their company branding will be there. First, to create this, first I should have a letterheads. First I should save my letterhead and then I can use it. Next. First we need to save it in our documents. Just reduce the size to 20 KB. Oh, divine. Upload into our documents. New. Now select HTML using letterhead. First we need to create a letterhead, right? Come here, click on next. Now new letterhead available for use. Save. This is my letterhead, so here I can select logo. This is my logo, and if I want same logo here, I can use it. Just here I am just setting this layout. I can use colors, the same way. What's the see, everything is white. So if you want any color, we can add it to your body. This is your template. Save. Once we create a letterhead, I can use this letterhead in my email templates. So now I can create a HTML with letterhead. Click on email templates. Now go for new. Next. Load with. Which letterhead? Here as of now I only have one letterhead, so I'll be using this one. What type of layout? So layout is nothing but so how your letterhead, how your email you want to look like. It's like a free form letter or it's a formal letter. Depending upon this selection, your email look and feel will change. So here I selected only free form letter. Right. Next. So same thing here I can enter my content. Same again, we can refer patient fields. So this email I want to shoot whenever any patient with critical disease has been joined. So I'll be using this template on patient. So I'll be referring all the fields from patient object. So patient name, suffering from. Okay. Please provide him best thing on urgent basis. Next, subject critical patient alert. So this is a text version, that is the HTML version. Just save it. So if I test this, I'll be getting patient. This is the alert. So earlier it was just a text. This was just a text. If you want to use your company logos, then you have to go for HTML using Letterhead. So here it referring the patient name and whatever text we provided it there, it will shoot that particular, it will use that particular template. In previous scenario I tested, this is a text template and this is a HTML template with Letterhead. For the time being, just learn how to create templates. That's it. We will be seeing in this week when we are discussing workflows. We will see how to use this template. We'll be using the same templates whenever a record is created or edited. If any particular criteria is met, so what I'll be doing is on this patient record, on this patient's Yeah, on this patient I'll have one more pick list, and in that pick list I'll be having a option called critical. So I'll be using this template, whatever template we created, when any patient record is created with critical situation. What I'll be doing is when a record is created with a critical situation, I will use this template to notify any doctor or to my CEO or anybody. So it will happen automatically. For that, first we should have these templates ready. Once we have these templates, I can use whenever I want. So we can create three types of templates. Today we will be learning only three. One will be text, and other will be HTML using letterhead, and another one is custom without using letterhead. So Visual Force we will be learning at last once we finish Visual Force topic. So we saw how to create a text template, same with HTML using letterhead. We'll see custom without using letterhead. So here I can use Wonderful name. Yeah. So you can see here I used HTML components here. I used header, so that's why it's coming as like this. If it's the text version, it will be like this. So this is the advantage of HTML, custom HTML templates. Here I can use all the HTML tags. I can create a links here. I can do whatever I want, which is possible through HTML. I can do it with custom templates. So whereas in other, if it is a text, it's just a plain text. You cannot see like this. Here you can see there is a difference here and here. Why? Because here I used a header tag. So that's why it's coming like this. If it is a normal, it will be coming like this. Same email in the text version, it will look like this. If this is the HTML version. So depending upon your requirement, either you will be going to text. If you want to use letterhead, you have to go for this option. Otherwise, you can go with custom. These are the three options available when we are creating a templates. Depending upon our requirement, if it is a simple, then we'll go for text. If we need our company logos, then we'll be going with letterhead. If we don't need our company logo, but still we require some links, hyperlinks in my template, then I have to go with custom. So if you test this, see here it's HTML version, we'll be getting as an alert. These are about email templates. Only one is pending, Visual Force. We'll be seeing this one after learning Visual Force tags. If I say now also, you won't understand that because we don't have any idea about Visual Force. So once we are clear with Visual Force, then we will learn Visual Force templates.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
We can send only one email at a time to a person.
In the sense, no. We can send it to multiple users.
Okay.
Yeah, suppose I can send it to, we'll be seeing in the next class how to use these alerts. I can send, like when a new patient is created, I can send this record to entire doctors. If any critical case is created, I can send it to some doctors, critical doctors, right? All doctors will not handle critical cases. So I can create a group where critical cases will be handled by that particular doctors, and I can shoot this email alert to only that doctors. So we can have we'll have a control on that to which users I should send it. We'll see afterwards in next classes.
Yeah.
As of now, today I just sending it to my email only for testing how this email will look like. That's it. Any questions? Anybody want to discuss anything? Today there are very less people. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today. So anybody want to meet today, like they want to discuss anything, if they're having any doubts, let me know. Hello. Okay then, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.